Hey, this is Dan from The Verge, and I'm wearing Alexa on my face. These are the new Echo frames, which are actually glasses that have microphones and speakers embedded into them, so you can speak to Alexa as if it was an Echo speaker. Now, you could tell they kind of look like normal glasses here, but if I take them off my face, you could see that there's speakers underneath the bottom of it, a couple speaker holes on each side. There's microphone holes, and there's a button here to activate the Alexa voice as well as adjust the volume. Then there's a swipe control here on the side, so you can swipe through things to agree to various notifications and alerts and things like that. Now, what's interesting about these is Amazon is not using bone conduction for the audio. They said that they developed a technology where the speakers will actually fire the sound down. Now it's very loud here in this demo environment. You can kind of hear the Echo Studio in the other room kind of bumping some tunes. But if I just, say, Alexa, play some music, I get a little LED light right here in my eyebrow area, and then music is going to start playing through these speakers down to my ears. And if I crank up the volume all the way, you might be able to hear it, but most people really aren't going to be able to hear it next to you. It's a very weird type of unique personalized experience. Now, part of the personalization of that is these new VIP notifications where Alexa will identify what notifications are important to you and only alert you about them on your glasses and let the other ones worry about it on an Echo device or something like that. Now, in terms of glasses, these are like standard glasses. They've got spring hinges. They're an acetate frame, which is like fancy plastic. They feel okay. They're a bit light. They are very light, in fact, which makes them pretty comfortable to wear, even though they have all these electronics in them. You can put prescription lenses in them. You can put sunglasses in them. They are really, typical glasses. Now, the way that you're going to be able to get these is you're going to only be able to get them through an invite-only system. Now, you can request a new invite or an invite for them starting today. Amazon says they're going to be shipping by the end of the year, and they cost $179. Thanks for checking these out. We've got a lot more on the site about the Echo frames, the Echo Buds, the Echo Studio. Amazon announced 15 different things today. Be sure to check it out at theverge.com. We're going to have more videos for you on YouTube. Stay tuned.